Hi, Matt again from 4x4's Accessory Tyres in the UK. What I'm going to introduce you today is a sports tonneau cover. Some of you guys may have seen it before. We have done it for some of the previous models, but this one we've got displayed today is the Alpha SCZ sports tonneau cover. This vehicle here, as some of you Ranger enthusiasts will tell, Sabre Orange, so you know it's a 19.5 model year facelift car. Reason why I like this product so much is there's a lot of alternatives out there where you've got a roller shutter, a normal lift up lid, but this just flows with the design of the car, so it looks really, really nice on the road as well. So, finished in Sabre Orange, as I've just mentioned, with the grey accents on there. Just under there, if you can just see, you've also got a third brake light that's wired into the car system as well, a high level brake light. Really, really good for functionality, really easy to use and somewhat cool to keep stuff safe in your bed. So, as I move around, the car has got the cover has got a key lock on there as well, but as I mentioned to you before, it does work off the car central locking. That's not an extra key fob, it actually works off the genuine Ford key. So, make sure it's open. All you would do to open it, pull the handle, pull it to that point there, and then you've got gas assisted struts. Really nice finish inside, so you've got like a carpeted finish, LED interior light that does come on upon opening. It's on a micro switch. What you also might notice in here is we've got a similar finish on the bed, which is another product that we do, which is the BedRug product. Now this is all available on our website as well. Some really, really cool features about this. Yes, it doesn't only give the finish off to finish off the car's look, but you can literally pressure wash this, fully water absorbent. So just great for anything going in, stops us sliding about. So very, very popular product. As you'll notice there as well, if I pop that back up, it's also fitted as standard into the new Ford Ranger with the lift kit. So you'll notice how easy it was there for me to put that tailgate up. But what we also do, which is also available, is we added a down function to that as well. So we have got a damper fitted to that. So what I'll do is I'll just show you the functionality of that. So again, handle, let go. It's about 20 degrees outside today, so that's it functioning there. So through ease of use, it's just great for help. If you've got young kids running around, anything like that, these heavy tailgates don't slam down on them. So if I pop that back up, really, really easy to use. It's got an interior handle here that you can use to pull it down. All you would do, onto that, onto the catches. So if you would like any more information about this product, please just click on the link below, give one of our guys a call and they'll be only too happy to talk you through it. And yeah, hopefully see you soon.